Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the Control Center in the menu bar. This gives quick access to keyboard backlight. Once done, locate the keyboard brightness tile. It only shows when your Mac detects a backlit keyboard. If you don't see the tile, go to System Settings, open Control Center, and enable the keyboard brightness control so it appears in the menu bar. This saves time later and ensures you can adjust brightness without deep menus. You now adjust brightness using the visible slider. Click the keyboard brightness tile and drag for the exact level you want because the slider provides fine-grained control. Make sure to try holding Option while clicking the tile on some Mac OS builds. That can expose more granular steps or instant toggles. If you prefer hardware keys, map Touch Bar or Touch ID row controls in Settings so you can change brightness even faster without opening any menus. To finish, test persistence. Set a brightness level, put the Mac to sleep, then wake it and confirm the keyboard stays at that level. This ensures your change is saved. If brightness behaves erratically, fully shut down, wait 10 seconds, and restart to clear hardware state. This mimics an SMC reset on Apple Silicon. If problems continue, make sure Mac OS is up to date and then contact Apple support. They can rule out sensor or firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.